Maraming salamat po. Finally, ay nakarating na din po ako. Napakarami ko pong pinagdaanan bago ko mahawakan itong mikroponong ito at matutong ang entabladong ito. Of course, to the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Rolando Navarro, sir. To the Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences, ang pinakamamahal nating lahat, Dr. Grace Garcia, ma'am. To the chairpersons of the different departments, especially to my second home, ang dati kong tahanan, the Department of Social Sciences and Philosophy, to the heads of the different programs of the College of Arts and Sciences, especially to the BA Political Science program, headed by the one and only my ninang, Professor Grisel Bahet-Paz, ma'am. To you, our stakeholders, the people that I do love to serve the most, the students of College of Arts and Sciences, sa inyo pong lahat, hayaan niyo po akong batiin ko kayo ng isang napakagandang araw.
Kablanan ko dati ng niya.
Bayandak man ako nga namnaming kwento, ititatakdar ko dito yung stage sapagkat napakarami ko pong pinagdaanan bago ko antay ang pagkakataong ito.
Moises, mabisim kami.
It's nice to be back. It's nice to see all of you here at the College of Arts and Sciences. It's nice to be back sa aking tahanan ng 9 na taon. 4 na taon bilang isang estudyante at 5 taon bilang isang guro. I think the last time that I spoke in front of you was when I was only a student of the College of Arts and Sciences, when I delivered my speech, my farewell speech as the former president of the politically inclined students. And here I am today. And here I am today, proudly and humbly, umayak ako si Pakumbaba nga presentaran kada kayo, proudly and humbly telling all of you nga iti may isang anak iti College of Arts and Sciences ket may isamen din nga abogado. I tell this to all of you nga iti College of Arts and Sciences an anak iti College of Arts and Sciences ket atumanen iti nakagunod iti arapaapdan iti biyago. For many years, I was only in the corner. I was only in the corner clapping. I was only in the corner supporting and cheering my fellow classmates when they achieved their dreams in life. For the longest years, I was one of the most eager faculty member of the College of Arts and Sciences, scouting, reminding the College of Arts and Sciences na dapat bigyan natin sila ng pagkilala. Ngayon ako naman, andito naman ako sa entablado nito. Maraming salamat po, College of Arts and Sciences. Huwag po kayong mag-alala, hindi na lang ang aking sasabihin. The four walls of the College of Arts and Sciences have been our home for 6 decades already. They have witnessed how our professors have molded us to become better in our lives. For 6 decades, the four walls of the College of Arts and Sciences have stood not merely as walls, but as witnesses, keepers of stories, guardians of dreams, and silent partners in our becoming. Within these walls, time learned to listen as generation of students arrive unsure, hopeful, and untested, only to live braver, wiser, and ready to face the world. Sa College of Arts and Sciences kami unang nangarap. Sa College of Arts and Sciences kami unang umasa ng mas magandang kinabukasan. Dito kami tinuruan na ang pangarap ay hindi mithiin lamang, kundi pinaghihirapan. At dito rin kami hinamon na mangarap pa ng mas matayo ng mas malawak at mas makabuluhan. Within these walls, we were given more than lessons from books. We were given courage when we doubted ourselves, direction when we felt lost, and hope when the path ahead seemed uncertain. The College of Arts and Sciences did not merely educate us, it believed in us, even at times when we had yet to prove anything to the world. Salamat, College of Arts and Sciences, for believing in us long before the world did, when our names were still unfamiliar, when our dreams were still in fear, and when our confidence was still finding its voice. Agyamyaman kami kadagiti rabiing da kami kat nagpuybuyat. The demanding standards that refuse to settle for less, and the gentle reminders that excellence is not a privilege but a responsibility. Thank you for believing we could become more than what we were when we first arrived in your walls, and for trusting us enough to send us out into the world. Katigal narimigan ka, College of Arts and Sciences, akas anak mo. No iti sa tinuntuman nga diso din kam papanan. Siya sinuntuman din kam makadapdapat ken makasarsarita. Kasaluntuman tikatayong din kam magunod iti biyag. Saan minto liplipatan ken kanayon minto nga laglagipen ken bakbaklayen. Nga kami ken anak ti College of Arts and Sciences. Maraming salamat po. Happy